My friend found a bird just the other day, battered and bruised in the backyard. Got a little cat that liked to scratch. Grabbed a little bird and ripped him something. Told my friend he took him in. Found all the feathers that he could. Put him in a little box and hit him up real good. He took him to the people that know how he walk with the bird. He said, fly bird, fly bird, fly bird, fly bird. He said, fly bird, fly bird, fly bird, fly bird. He said, fly bird, fly bird, fly bird, fly bird. He said, fly bird, fly bird. Before the cat catch you again. Let it run, let it run, let it run. The cat gon' catch the bird. I still have my receipt for the bird seeds. I figure I'd get my money back. Pull up to the store and park. Took it out and took a walk in. The lady said, how may I help you, sir? Oh, sir. I said, ma'am, you won't believe my story. I helped the little birdie on the way, but he's all better now. They took him out for a while. The bird started walking and flew away. He circled twice, telling me thank you for help. I couldn't have done it by myself. Boy, I needed a human's hand. It's good to know, sir, if I need you, I can come back around again. I'll be alone though, I have no one. Before the cat catch you again. But that's not the end of the story. Man drove home and told his girl, done a good deed for the day. We took him back and put him in this place so they can take him out to the desert of light. Oh, just relaxing, then I hear something outside. It's not my cat, he's in the room. I hear a little tweet, tweet, tweet. Is it that birdie, can it be? No way he come back and tell me this. He say, I'm back to my family. I got a wife and 2 kids and they are hungry. I told him you fed me. I need to go back to the place and find my little ones. And now we're back now and we're hungry. Before the cat catch you again.